Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on angles in triangles. In this video, we'll be looking at the sum of angles in a triangle and the exterior angles in a triangle and solve some problems related to angles in triangles. So we start with the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we consider the diagram of a triangle here with angles X, Y, and Z. The implication of the sum of angles of a triangle is X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Also, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. We can also demonstrate that one here. We have the triangle here. If this side is extended, still a straight line, it must be a straight line before it can be an exterior angle. The implication of this statement is that this angle here, we call it A, is equal to the sum of these X and Y. We mean X and Y are opposite to this exterior angle. So we say A is equal to X plus Y. And that's all. Then we now go ahead now to solve some problems. So we start with problem 1. Problem 1. Calculate the value of the unknown angles W, X, Y, and Z in the triangles below. We have triangles A, B, and C. So we start with A. For problem A, we are going to add W plus 95 degrees plus 63 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Because sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we add up this. W plus 158 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We now take this 158 degrees to the right hand side so that we have W to be equal to 180 minus 158. Solving this, we have W to be equal to 22 degrees. So we are done with A. We go for B. For B, again, we write X plus 47 plus 23 is equal to 180 degrees. Still, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Adding up this, we have X plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. Taking this to the right hand side, I have X to be 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, which gives X as 110 degrees. So we go to C part of the problem. For C, in the same way we find Y first, the way we have solved W and X, so that we now have Y plus 98 degrees plus 34 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Then adding up this, we have Y plus 132 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So we have Y to be equal to 180 degrees minus 132 degrees. Then finally we have Y to be 48 degrees. So we are done with Y. Then we go for Z. Z is an exterior angle to the 98 degrees and 34 degrees. So we just add them up to give us the value of Z. So we have 98 degrees plus 34 degrees. That is, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle, these two angles are opposites. So we now have it as 98 plus 34. And that gives Z to be equal to 132 degrees. And that's all for problem 1. We go to problem 2. For problem 2, calculate the value of x in each of the triangles. So we start from A again. For A, we are going to have 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. So adding them up, equating it to 180, we solve. This is 5 plus 4, giving us 9x equals 180 degrees. Dividing both sides by 9, I have x to be equal to 20 degrees. And that's all for A part of the problem. We go to B. For B, in the same way, we say 3x plus 4x plus 33 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Still, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is 7x plus 33 is equal to 180 degrees. Take this to this side. I have 7x is equal to 180 degrees minus 33 degrees. Then we have 7x to be equal to 147 degrees. Dividing both sides by 7, I have x to be equal to 21. Because 7 goes into 14 gives 2, and 7 goes into 7 gives 1. And that's all for problem 2b. We go for 2c. For 2c, I have x plus 2x plus 84 plus x. X plus 2x plus 84 plus x gives 180 degrees, because sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Then we simplify and solve. This is 3 plus x gives 4x plus 84 is equal to 180 degrees. Bringing this to this side, 4x is equal to 180 degrees minus 84 degrees, and 4x is equal to 96 degrees. Dividing both sides by 4, x is equal to 24 degrees. That's all for problem 2c, and this is the end of solution to problem 2. We then go to problem 3. For problem 3, the angles of a triangle are 3x, x and 36. Find the value of x. Hence, draw and name the triangle. Meaning we are going to have 3x plus x plus 36 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Still maintaining the fact that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is going to give us 4x plus 36 is equal to 180 degrees. Bringing this to this side, 4x is equal to 180 degrees minus 36. And that will give 4x to be 144 degrees. Dividing both sides by 4, x is equal to 36 degrees. And we are done with the first part of the problem. Find the value of x. Then we go ahead to draw and name the diagram. From our drawing, the name of the triangle will appear. So before then, we need to know the angles of the triangle. So the angles of the triangle are, I have a 36, this is 36, 36 times 3 will give 180 degrees. These are the angles of the triangle. We can then go ahead to draw. Even before we draw now, it is very clear now that this is an isosceles triangle. So drawing this now, we have this as the base. So the other side goes and the third side goes. So we then go ahead to put in the values of the angles. So we have this to be 36 degrees. This is 36 degrees. And finally, this is 108 degrees. You can see now that the base angles are equal. Therefore, the triangle is an isosceles triangle. That is all for problem 3. This is all we can take in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also check the description section of this video on our YouTube channel to get the link to the playlist to other related videos. Until we come your way again, goodbye.